Here we are today. After I couldn't keep my hands off of these tanks, I had to mess with them. I just knew when it came time to get some of the fish out of here that holding fish would be impossible with all the rocks that I had, so this is what we did. A little bit of room. And room for the mamas to hide if they want to. And in the process of doing this and getting all these rocks out of here and moving rocks around, I narrowed this down to just the one subdominant male who now has amazing colors going on. He seems very happy. I left him with just, because I couldn't catch the holding female, she's in here, with two others. I could catch her now, but I've got enough rocks for her. I think I'm going to leave her in here. And then what I did was, I've got the sponge filters, two on top. And there's my little worker. He's up top now. These here I took a little gravel out of that tank, gravel out of that tank, and then the sand / gravel out of that tank. And I put it in this tank. That's some of the rocks from the tank that the 55. And then I put the dominant male. Let's get some glare off of this. The other three females in the dominant male. And this other 40-gallon tank. And I got the two sponge filters. I'm waiting on an AC 110, Aqua Clear 110 back filter, because I can just take some seeded media out of the big sump inside and put it right in there. And I clear it all around behind it, so now I can get behind my tanks nice and easy and I don't have to struggle. I know I'm moving all over the place, but that's okay. Those are the two sponge filters that were in there, are in here until that filter comes in, then they're going to go back to here. And I'm going to get two more sponge filters, I believe, for this bottom one, because they seem to be working pretty good and the price is a whole lot better than a 110 by at least 60 bucks. So this is what we did today. I need to get a couple little inexpensive lights, but that's working for now, the old shop light. And all the fish seem happy. That's the important part. And this one just seems huge now with nothing in there, but I'll be able to get her out without any troubles. And he seems pretty frisky, so maybe the other two will be joining her in the infirmary. Just wanted to show everybody what we did today. Take care, y'all. Thanks.